know it's 100 degrees outside, but I think you can always eat a warm and centering bowl of soup, especially if it's a light soup. That's what's on the menu next. While this recipe is based on Freda's, I'm confident she was riffing on groundnut stew, a dish common throughout West Africa. The main ingredients in groundnut stew are chicken, peanut butter, and ginger. I'll be using pureed peanuts and chicken stock instead of peanut butter and chicken meat. I want this dish to be lighter since it's hot and because we have more food coming in this wine pairing feast. It's going to be a wonderfully light and herbaceous soup topped with appetizing looking garnishes. I'll start by pureeing some chicken stock and peanuts with ginger, pepper, and cumin. Add the remaining puree to the stock. This is the base of the soup. I'll bring that to a simmer and melt in some butter. Once that's melted in, you can add the sweet potatoes. These have been cooked in salted water. You want them to be firm enough to keep their shape, but tender enough to chew easily. And there's a bit of spinach for color and flavor as well. Now it's time to put it all together. Ladle some soup into the bowl. Put a few chunks of sweet potato and steaming spinach. Those are the main accompaniments to this dish, but wait, there's more. We're going to add some garnishes. We have some chopped tomato and onion, sliced ginger, mint, and crushed peanuts. I love a soup that has lots of goodies on top of it, don't you?